Okay, it seems I'm live. Is it? Need to verify. How do I do that? Let me just go back to the link. Okay, so it's an odd timing. I know I don't go live at this time normally, but then I'm live today. So yes, people were waiting. So some people says, "Come on, great." So yeah, so today I have a good news and a bad news. As you can see from the title, it's live courses, good news or bad news, or and bad news. Now, the good news is, so let's start with bad news, I guess. So let's start with, okay. In fact, before starting with good news or bad news, let me talk about some announcement. If you remember last week, last month, I guess, I don't remember the date now, I have announced one thing, which is I'm going to stop all the paid courses. In fact, I was thinking about paid courses, but then later I realized, some people they don't want to pay for the course, and some people they cannot afford it. Some people are ready to pay, and so I wanted to change the way I want to teach people because the idea of the Telusko learning was to give you free education, and that's where we are heading now. So in future, everything will be free on this channel, right? It's all about free content. So yes, Telusko Learning is adopting a free business model. It's not that I don't want to earn from this because of course I'm spending so much of time, but I don't want to charge you people. So there are different ways of earning from this platform. I can earn from ads. That's what I'm doing. I can earn from so I can earn from ads because as a YouTuber we do get earn from ads. I can earn from maybe donations. That's what I'm planning now. So so example, if I upload the entire course on Spring, or maybe if I upload an entire course on Servlet, so the idea would be, I will be getting, yeah. So the idea would be I will be getting. So if you watch the entire Spring course, which costs you around, let's say, thousand rupees, or maybe you can convert that into dollars. Let's say $15 for the course. You don't have to pay for that. You can watch everything for free. You can learn everything for free. And if it is helpful, you can donate, right? That's what we can do. So if you think, okay, that course was helpful, you can simply donate some amount. That's great. In fact, nowadays you can see I'm uploading free content on CoJava, free content on Servlet JSP. Normally those courses are paid courses. If you go to Udemy, they will charge you around, how much they will charge you. Maybe they will charge you around $10, $15 for the course, and you cannot even confirm of the quality of that course. So this channel will provide you free content, and you can watch them anytime, any number of times, doesn't matter. For lifetime, of course. And if you feel those are helpful for you, simply donate. That's what you can do, right? And what are the amounts to donate doesn't matter. Even if you donate, let's say 10 rupees, that's fine. Your 10 rupees will be helpful for others. Because what I'm doing now is whatever I earn from YouTube itself, I'm trying to do that on uh, so I'm trying to help other people on that. Example, so whatever you donate, so I got some donations last month, I guess. It's been last month, in Jan. I got some donations, not a big amount, but those small amounts are important, right? It will be helpful. It will be helpful for some people. And some people are asking for Paytm. That's even we can do that. I will be sharing my Paytm number with you. So okay, so you can. I will do it somewhere. I don't know where to put my Paytm number. Maybe I will put in the description area of this video. So in the description area, you will find the Paytm number. If you want, you can donate there as well. Uh, so I'm searching for different way of donation because donation is something which you are going for. There's no compulsion that you have to pay for fees or something. All the courses will be free in future. Now, till this point, I was doing something, the main announcement, right? So the announcement was about the live courses. So let me just announce that thing. Okay, so the thing is, from last 1 year, I'm doing some live courses on YouTube. Not 1 year. It's been 1.5 year, 2 years now. It's been 2 years. I remember I started in last year, March 2015, March. So I'm taking a lot of live courses like CoJava for Servlet, for JSP, for Spring, Hibernate. I was doing so many live courses, and then the idea of live courses came from some subscribers. They said, "Okay, we want to learn live from you." I thought let's give it a try, and I started taking live trainings. I enjoyed it. People enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I got so many good comments or good feedback. Hardly one or two, not a good feedback, but otherwise everything was good. I was very excited. I mean, I enjoyed those 2 years. Now, after doing that for 2 years, I realized one thing that it is taking a lot of my time. The main idea of YouTube was to make free content, to upload more content as possible. But due to these live courses, it is eating up a lot of my time. Yes, it is 1 and 1.5 hour per day, but then it's not just about that 1 hour. It's also about the preparation. It's also about the questions, and then there are so many other things. So, uh, so, so the good news or the bad news is the bad news first. The bad news is I'm stopping all the live courses. If you are waiting for the live courses, unfortunately, my plan is to stop live courses because it is taking a lot of my time, and I'm still trying to figure it out. What would be the best way? Should I create more content or live courses? Even if I take live courses in future, maybe free one. Maybe we'll have some contest, and whoever win the contest will get the free course. That's what I'm buying now. Let's see how thing goes. But as of now, the live courses are going to end. Okay, now what's the good news? The good news is we still have one batch remaining. So last month I started, or I mean, the last month I started with Hibernate batch. So normally I started with Hibernate and Spring batch before the announcement, and the Hibernate batch is just over. So by tomorrow or day after tomorrow, we'll start with a Spring batch. So people who are still interested in learning Spring, they can join it. That's fine. So yes, Hibernate and Spring are still in the industry. They will be for a long time. What you're thinking? It will be going. Okay, so the thing is, bad news is I'm stopping all the online courses, so there's no live courses in future. That's what I'm playing now. And so what will be coming in future? So in future you'll be getting all the free content. So Hibernate complete set. In fact, I do have Hibernate series on YouTube, but advanced videos will be on the will be uploaded. Spring videos will be there. So I will be starting with Spring from basic, and then Spring Boot, Spring AOP. All those things will be coming on this platform, but it will be taking a lot of time. uh, because this month, as I mentioned, I have some very important tasks. After that, I'm going for a vacation. After that, so the entire March, I'm on vacation, and I will start the work from April mid. So mid-April, I will start with the actual work, and you'll be seeing a lot of free videos on the way. So yes, before that, I'll be finishing the entire core Java. I will try to finish entire Solid and JSP. So let's see. So that's great. So that was the announcement that I'm ending this batch, the live courses. So that was the bad news. The live courses are going to end, and the good news is I'm starting with this is the last batch. Okay, so yeah, so Biswa says glad we make in the just in time one of your last batch. Yes, Biswa is there in one of my batch. I hope Biswa you're enjoying the batch, the live courses. That's great. Uh, okay, in fact, I love live courses. The way we interact. I mean, it was a big decision for me. I was taking the decision from last 4 months. I wanted to stop the batch from in December, not in December, in October itself. I wanted to stop the batch, but I so there was some. I wanted to do this much more because I love it. I love to take live courses. So Biswas says very much. Okay, great. Okay, so that was the announcement. Live courses are going to end. Maybe in future, even if I take live courses, that will be free. Okay, that's what I'm thinking about now, because some people they cannot pay for the fees. And yes, my courses are a bit costlier compared to the market standard because we take live courses, right? Now people do compare my live courses with Udemy. The thing is, on Udemy or any platform, you get recorded videos. You don't get that support. In live courses, we try to answer questions. I mean, you can ask questions. I will try to answer your questions, and it's a team effort, right? And every day you will be having live sessions, so you will be on track. So that's what the thing is. But still, I wanted to stop it because of several reasons. It is eating a lot of my time. Uh, Initially, I was free a bit last to last year. I was having a lot of time to work on, but now as things are going good. I'm getting a lot of things. Okay, so consistency is the key to improve channel. That's right. I'm doing that. I'm trying to improve my channel. Okay, so one more thing, some people are comparing this channel with the other tech channels. The thing is, we are not, okay, we cannot compare this channel with other channels because this is a channel where you are learning everything for free and where you will get all the content for free, right? And so that's the thing. And everything is number game, you cannot compare with number of subscribers. Example, New Boston has millions of subscribers. That's a great guy, right? New Boston. You can find so many courses there. There are other platforms as well. Let's not compare them. I can see 150 people are watching this and only 69 likes. That's bad. Come on, guys. Okay, so people are asking for the fee structure. Okay, so to understand to get the free structure, you can go to telusko.com. There's online courses tab there, or I will simply share the link here. So I would say telusko.com/online.htm. Okay, so this is where you will get all the details about displaying. Uh, yeah, so you will get the details about displaying and all those things. Okay, so that's one thing. Okay, anything else I want to talk about today? Yeah, so we talked about donation, right? So everything will be free in future. So that's one way of revenue model for me on this channel because I'm not selling the courses again, and there will not be any live courses. So donation will be the one way to earn, and then ads. Anyway, I'm earning a good amount to sustain this channel on YouTube, but then you cannot depend upon ads, right? Because I don't know, I never believe on YouTube policies because I've seen people they ask. I mean, YouTube is shutdowning other people. I mean, not YouTube, but AdSense is getting closed for some YouTubers, maybe for different reasons. So you cannot trust them. Okay. So that's it. That's about the thing. We can have some question answers now. Let's take questions. Showing hell to work with Spring. Okay, Shiva says showing hell to work with Spring doesn't get you, Shiva. Okay, so Arvind says, "आप मेरा नाम ले लो एक बार." Oh, hi Arvind, Arvind Yadav. Okay. Okay, most Mahajan says, "Should I learn Android with Java or Kotlin or Java?" I would say Kotlin is better now because Kotlin has efficient programming. But yeah, to work on Android, I would say Kotlin. But then knowledge of Java is very important. Karthik says, "Thank you, sir, for making Java easy." Oh, thank you so much. In fact, I want your feedback on the new videos which I'm uploading, the Core Java videos and the Advanced Java videos. Just to let you know, the Core Java videos are not exactly a new one. It was created in 2016, not 2 years back, 1 year back. In December, I started. I guess in December I've created all those videos and these are JSP videos which I'm making now. So I would like to know your feedback. So you can just enter the chat window. If you're watching Koja videos, how it is. If you're watching Server JSP videos, how it is. So that with your feedback, I can improve my training. I can improve the examples at least. Okay, let me pick up some more questions here. And okay. So DMT says, I heard that Java will update every 6 months. That's right. So after Java 9, all the Java versions in future will be getting updated in 6 months. Now, why Java is doing that? Because the technology is changing very fast, right? You have seen all these languages coming up. So Java thinks, we have to also upgrade now. And surely Java was going down a bit for some time, but now after Java 9, it will be going up. So Java 10, Java 11. I'm not sure about number versions, but all the major versions will be updated in 6 months. So you can expect some huge number of features. Okay, so everyone says hi, hello, hi, hello. Rahul says we were waiting for you. Okay, am I late for the session? Maybe. So Clinto says you are awesome. Thank you so much, Clinto. Okay, so Akilva says, Avi Kal says, hello, sir, I'm from Bihar. Hey, hi. Please upload advanced Java tutorials. I'm doing that. If you follow the channel, I'm uploading Server JSP videos. Highlight series are already there. So what is remaining now is Server JSP. Highlight is there, and the only thing is remaining is Spring. In fact, I do have some Spring videos, not the entire stuff. Entire stuff will be uploaded in May, June, July, something in that way. Okay, because it takes time, to make good content. And come on, we are learning something very big, something like Java, Spring Framework. This is the enterprise language, right? We are learning something which is used in the industry. So it will take some time. Krishna says, great human being. Oh, hi, Krishna. Krishna is one of my trainee in the batch. Great. Give us your Paytm number. Oh, I've just been given that. So in the chat, in the description area, you will find my Paytm number. I hope I've entered the right Paytm number. Okay. Great. Okay, so please repeat your course news. I've done that. So course news. So the good news is okay. The bad news is live courses are getting ended, and good news is we have the last batch. So you can just go to my website and go to the online tab. You will find. In fact, let me just add the link in the description area. So you can just go to the website and check it out. What is going on with the live courses? So this is the last batch of Telusko Learning for public. So let's see. I know that's a big announcement to do. Okay, so KK says, so finally got notification for this live conversation. Oh, that's great. In fact, I feel the night time for live session is awesome because people just show up. I normally do live session in the afternoon and then people are busy. I would choose a good day, somewhere around maybe Friday evening, Saturday evening, Sunday morning, something like that. Let's see. Clinto says how to donate. Okay, so for donation, you can just go to my channel, go to my website, and there's about us tab. I know I have not designed my website properly, so there is about us. You can go there. There are three links to donate. One, if you're Indian, you can donate there. You can donate using PayPal. You can be a patron. In fact, I'll be sharing the link in the description area. So just check out the description area in 1 minute. I've updated the link there. So just go there and you can donate, or you can also donate using Paytm. So I have shared my Paytm number there if you're Indian. Otherwise, you can use PayPal. Sachin says your Koja videos is amazing. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you so much for that. Okay, so Vinay says Hibernate and Spring companies are using decreasing. I heard from my friends. Tell something about this, please. Okay, so when you say the number of projects on Spring and Hibernate is going down, that's not the case because we have Spring Boot now. We have reactive programming in Spring. It's not going down. See, in enterprise market, things go low very slow. It's not that it will be over in 1 day. So it takes time. I don't know if it is going down, but I'm sure it's not going down. It's not going down. It's not going down. So Hibernate and Spring, they're not going down. There are other frameworks which is coming in the picture, but then it's not going down. Okay, so Deepak says, please share Spring Security videos. Yes. So once I start with Spring series again, I'll be uploading Spring Security as well. Okay, so I'm doing, Akib says, I'm doing MCA. After that, I decided to join ethical hacking course. Is it best or not? Of course, it is best. It's all depend upon your interest. If you love hacking, then it's not a not a bad option, right? But if you're someone you don't like hacking and just because it is hype and you want to do that, I would say don't go for that. If you're interested, do anything you want. I also believe don't just learn something which is new in the industry. You can also go with something which is old, provided you have interest in that. Example, let's say if there's a technology which is very old, but then you love it. That's fine. Just start with it, and maybe the moment you start working on that, you will love something else, and you will move to that. Jaswinder says, "Thank you so much, sir. Keep making course video. Oh, that's what I will be doing. That's what I'll be doing." Relax channel says Spring versus Studs. Of course, Spring. Spring is a new framework. It provides you more features than Studs. Okay, Raj Kiran says you use latest app like Paytm and Tej also. So yes, I have updated my Paytm number there. You can donate using Paytm. Tej, yes, I should be doing that, right? So let's see how Tej works because I've never tried Tej yet. I wanted to, but not done yet. Okay, so Kinshu says, please start online internship. We are waiting for internship. We will work with you. It will be great honor. It will be my honor to work with you people there. It's just that I don't know how to manage things. It will take some time. I'm trying to get some other stuff done. Once I do that, I will be looking for internship. As I mentioned in the last video as well, I will be taking internship from May. No, sir, this is better enhancement of your video. Oh, that's right. Better enhancement. I didn't get you. Okay, so Gaurav says, can you make a video only on installation of different databases? Oh, I do have a video on MySQL installation. I should be doing with Oracle. Oracle, I guess I do have this on this channel. Let me just check. Because Oracle videos have been made by my friend, Suchit. So let's see. I just want to verify if his installation is there. Sai Krishna says, I'm interested for Spring course. That's why just go to the website and register. Okay, what after Core Java? So once you learn Core Java, you can start learning Servlet JSP. And otherwise, if you want to go for mobile world, I would say learn Android. That's the thing which you can do. Okay, Deepak says your videos is awesome. Thank you so much, Deepak. Dreamer says it's depend upon you. Okay. What else? What else? Addicted one say A1 says please make a video course on deep learning. Oh, okay, that's a problem. I'm not that much into AI because to teach AI you need to be very good with AI, right? I mean, not very good, but at least you should know how thing works. I know a bit, but not exactly teach you. I don't want to misguide you there. Gaurav says I'm having problem installation of setup of databases. Okay, let me just think about it. How can I make videos on that? Okay, Rahul says about new technology from where and how to work. Okay, so whenever you get a new technology, that's a good question actually, from where you can learn. This is your first stop. Telusko Learning. I'll be uploading videos on new technologies as well. I would say just read documentation. Initially, if you are interested, whatever new on is on the way, watch some videos. In fact, I feel nowadays every company when they launch something new, they make their official video. Watch that first, then read some documentation and try to implement it. Whatever you want, just try it out. That will be awesome. Okay. Okay. So what next? Siddhartha says your glasses are so cool. Oh, is it? Thank you so much. These are my new glasses. That's great. You noticed it. Okay, so I look good in this, maybe. Yeah. Okay, so Sachin says advanced Java all courses. So please go Java videos in Hindi. Okay. I was, as I mentioned before as well, I wanted to make videos in Hindi as well, but then there's so many things on the way. I'm not getting much time to do that. So okay, so Vinayak says your all videos are amazing. I was missing Pune meetup. Oh, you missed the Pune meetup? That's bad. Maybe I will be visiting Pune once again in May or April. Maybe I'll let you know. Okay. So Vivek says I'm new. I have been watching your videos for Java programming almost 3 to 4 days, and your explanation is very helpful. So I subscribe and like your live video too. Oh, that's great. Thank you so much, Vivek. And stay tuned. There are so many videos on the way. You can learn a lot of things for free. Okay. Okay, so that's great. So I'm getting a lot of questions on future of Java. Okay, Java future is very good. Thanks to the new version, which is Java 9. There are some people who have not explored Java 9 and they don't know what Java 9 features are. So I would say go for that. And Java has a good future. Okay, great, great. So okay, Pankaj says, can you comment about React Native? Okay, I heard about React Native, not much. I just saw some articles. They were comparing React Native with Java for Android. And what I realized after reading that article is Java, in terms of performance, is faster than React Native, less bugs. So Java has less bugs compared to React Native. But yes, if you want to make things very fast, I would say go for React Native. It is very fast. I mean, development time is very fast because in Java you have to do everything from scratch. But trust me, if you talk about big companies, they want their product which is working. It doesn't matter for them. It is taking 1 month or 2 months. What's important for them is it should work perfectly. Less bugs. It should have major support for the hardware. That's what I've never tried React Native as of now, but the articles which I've read, they says Java is faster in terms of performance compared to React Native. Because anyway, it is Java and Kotlin. They're the official language for Android. Okay, so when you say something is official, it has a good support. That's important. Where can I learn networking for beginning? No idea. Just search on YouTube. Okay, so Techie Alice says why Google logo is there. So here you're talking about Google logo. So I'm using Hangout, right? So Hangout, whenever you use Hangout for live, you get that Google logo. Okay. Uh, Shamik says proud to call you my trainer. Oh, thank you so much, Shamik. Ranjit says thank you for your Kotlin tutorials. Oh, thanks so much. Okay, what else? What else? What else? Okay, I lost all the questions. It went up. It went up. Where are the questions? Okay. Are you planning for any meetup in Hyderabad? Yes. As I mentioned, in May I'll be visiting different cities like Bangalore, Pune, and okay. So in April I'm going to not April. March, I'm going to Delhi. That's where we can have a meetup. I don't know because I'm going to different place from Delhi. I'll be landing in Delhi airport. So let's say if we can have a meetup somewhere near airport. I'm not sure about the timing yet because my flight ticket are not booked yet. So once I do that, I'll be letting you know when I'll be landing in Delhi so that we can have a small meetup there. And then in May, I'm having a meetup in Pune. Okay, in Pune, Hyderabad, and Bangalore. These three cities I'll be covering. Okay. Okay. So Kaushik says, is there any meaning? Is there name? Okay. Any reason of naming this channel as Telusko Learning instead of Navin Reddy? Yeah. I believe there's when you have a channel, if it is your personal channel, you should have your name. That's perfect. But if you are creating a brand, it's always better to have a brand name because company is not, it doesn't belong to one person, right? It belongs to a team, right? So currently I'm working alone. I have one person who's helping me. But what if I build a team? It doesn't matter. It doesn't make sense to have my name there. In fact, I do have my name channel, which is Navin Reddy, which is only my personal channel. I can do anything there, what I want to do. But this is a learning platform, right? So I wanted to give some unique name. And why Telusko? Because Telusko means get to know. So this channel is more about learning, so get to know. That's what it means. So okay, great. What else? What else? Okay, please make a video on application servers. Yes, we're doing that. Okay. What else? What else? What else? What else? Okay, so someone is asking me a question. Python versus Java nowadays. Yeah, that is what is happening. Everyone is comparing different languages. I feel you should not compare the languages. It's all about your requirement. Okay. You know why we have more Python developers than Java? It's not because Java is bad. It's just that Python is easy to learn and it is included in the syllabus as a first subject. So there are a lot of universities they teach Python as a first language. I'm not saying Python is bad. It's just that, Java is also good. Don't just say Java is bad just because there are a lot of people saying Python is good. So Java versus Node.js for server. I would say if it is website, I would say go for Node.js, but if it is enterprise network, I would say Java is best. Okay. Online courses for Spring Boot. Yes, Spring Boot videos will be there in May, available in June, I guess. But as of now, you can join the live courses. Okay, when is your marriage? Is in this month itself. So month end, I'm getting married. Okay. Next question is any plan for Kolkata meet? As of now, no, because I have some work in Hyderabad. Hyderabad, I have some personal work. Bangalore, I have a training. Pune, I have a training. So that's why I'm going to visit these three places. Kolkata, I don't come there for training, so I have to separately take out a time to come to Kolkata for a meetup. Surely I will try. I'm also looking for maybe if I get a college request, a training request from Kolkata, from some college for a seminar, I would surely try to visit. Okay. But as of now, I'm getting a lot of requests from Bangalore for training, so I'm going to Bangalore. Okay. Okay. So that's it, everyone. Okay, so Gado says go live on marriage. I'm thinking of that. I'm thinking about going live on my marriage, but it will not be on this channel. This is a learning channel, right? So I'll be doing that on Navin Reddy. So just to keep things separately, separate things. Okay. Okay. Tabule, no idea. But I heard it's a good tool to work on. Oh, not Bangalore. That's right. It's Bengaluru. Bengaluru. Yeah. Okay. So Kiran says, which video cam are you using now? I'm using iPhone there, so I'm using an iPhone. Okay, I don't know how can you show. I can show you my mobile phone. So I'm using a tripod here, and on the tripod I have a camera. Okay, that's okay. No, not a camera. That's an iPhone, and I'm using a mic. So that's normal setup. I'm not a big fan of having gadgets. I do have a DSLR, but I feel mobile iPhone is better. Okay. Okay, so Mahesh says, what is DevOps in one statement? I would say DevOps is a culture. That's what I would say. DevOps is a culture where the operation team and development team work together. So instead of having two different teams, because there will be a communication gap, right, between developers and operation team. And if something goes wrong while deploying, developers should know what is going wrong. Who made the mistake. So it's all combined. So development team and operation team working together. That's DevOps. So it's not a technology, it's a culture which company follows nowadays. So you are awesome motivational speaker too, is it? Thank you so much, cool guy. Okay, so can we attend your Pune training on which language? Oh, so when I go for training, I go for company training, So different companies they call us for the training. So other people are not allowed in the company. So that's the thing. If you're working for that company which I'm going for, of course you can attend the training if they allow you. Okay, so last 5 minutes, everyone. Signing off. It's a night time. I have some project to complete so that I can go to a nap. Okay, internship. What about internship at Telusko for front end development? You said something in last session. Yes, I want some interns. Provided you know AngularJS, provided you know JavaScript. Maybe any, not just AngularJS. Any Vue technology will do. Vue.js or anything will do. And but even if I take internship, that will be in the month of May. Okay, so Narendra Reddy says, "Are you okay? I mean, am I teaching Spark Scala? No, as of now, no. I know Scala, but then not so much so that I can teach it in a live course." Okay, so Mukul says, "Sir, is it learning RESTful Jersey today will help me after 1 year to get a pass from college?" Of course, why not? Because if you know REST API, because nowadays, I mean, I don't think people are using Jersey; they are using Spring Framework to implement REST API. Uh, but even if you know REST with Jersey, it will give you a good foundation. Nikhil says, "Will there be more data structure videos?" Yes, but I'm feeling I'm not that comfortable with data structures. I'm trying to complete the other stuff which I'm comfortable with. But yes, video will be coming for data structures. I will not be stopping it. So that's it. Last one question. Let me pick up one question here. Okay, so is it necessary to learn DevOps if you are learning AWS? Yes, I would say DevOps is something you have to learn now. There's no option. You should be learning DevOps. It's not that difficult, by the way. It's all about the culture you learn, and you cannot simply learn DevOps in one day. It's a culture. It takes time. It takes it's a procedure which you have to understand, and it will take some time. So I would say spend some time on DevOps. It's not difficult. Again, it's very easy. Okay. So that's it, everyone. Signing off. That's what I want to talk about today. Oh, there's one repeated question. If we use someone else's content in Android application, then do copyright claim comes? Yes, if someone says that, if someone reports that you are using their content, of course you'll be getting a copyright strike then. Will you visiting be any cities in Kerala? Maybe in December. I'm trying to come to Kerala in December for a vacation. Maybe I will visit there. Okay, so when you will be coming live next? Maybe Sunday? Maybe Sunday, yeah. Maybe. And there's one more thing. If you want to connect tomorrow, so tomorrow I'm going to Thakur College in Mumbai. So we can have a meet there also. We can, if someone stays near Western Line, we can have a small meetup there. Yeah, that's what my planning is. So that's it, everyone. Thank you so much. Bye bye, everyone. Good night. Yeah. How do I end this broadcast? Okay, I got it here. Bye bye.